if you don't know me, I am Soul Coast. I am a psychic medium and a law of attraction practitioner. And today we are going to be talking about the art of detaching and letting go in order for your manifestations to happen so much faster and, of course, quicker. Now, I always deal with a lot of clients who always ask me questions in regards to law of attraction and how they can manifest better. And the number one thing that always comes up is how can I detach and let go? I really want this thing. I really want this business. Or I really want money, or I really want to find love, but I can't stop thinking about it. And I just don't know how I can detach and let go, or they're doing shadow work and they've had stuff happen to them in their past and they're like, how do I let go from that? Like, how I can't just detach from it, you know, how do I do this? Like, how can I get myself into a better place where I'm able to just be in the present and just be content? Well, there are many, many ways, but in this video, I'm going to do my top 3 ways of how I did this. Now, I am somebody who has had a really severe anxiety disorder my entire life. I have lots of different mental illnesses I've dealt with. I have really bad dyslexia, I have dyspraxia, and I'm pretty certain I probably have ADHD or something. And so I have been a massive ball of anxiety, and I'd always worry about everything, even just going to a shop, being in the shop, I'd worry and be anxious. I'd personally am someone that finds it very hard to detach and let go. And it took me a really long time to learn how to do this. Like, I really had to teach myself. And there's quite a few things that I did do, but these are my 3 top things that I did. And hopefully this can help you in being able to manifest things a lot quicker. Tip number 1, you need to release the worry and the need to control. You need to release these, okay? I know it's really hard and it's easier said than done, especially if you are, for example, you've got to pick a college course and you feel pressured and you don't know what career you want to go in life, you don't know what to do at college, or you're a single mum and you're in debt and you've got kids to feed and not enough money is coming in and you've got all these worries. You know, those are just 2 examples. It can be really hard to not worry, okay, and not let go. And especially if you suffer from mental illness, it just is even harder. And the problem is, all of these are very limited beliefs, okay? And they also bring negative vibrations, they're negative emotions. And what you would be doing is you're actually attracting more things that aren't going to help you, and you're actually delaying the ability of the universe being able to help you, because what you put out into the universe is very much by how you feel. We're all vibrational beings. Everything has a vibration and an energy to it. And so if you're always worrying and always going on and on and on about things in your head and intrusive thoughts, then you're putting it more out to the universe. You're going to get another bill come through saying that you owe money to somewhere else that you forgot about. You are just going to be delayed even more in picking that college course. And so you could unintentionally bring more of those situations to you. And also, if you're trying to manifest as well, having all these worries and you're journaling, you're scripting, and you're having meditation, you're trying to put your order out to the universe and asking your spiritual guides and team to help you. If you're still worrying and trying to control situations and being obsessive about it, you're just creating resistance. There's going to be no progression. It's going to stay as it is. And this is the problem. So what you need to do is you want to try and problem solve. So you're in the present, where you are right now. Don't worry about the past. Don't worry about the future. Where you are right now, all these situations, especially if they're stressful issues like money worries or trying to find a job or something like that. How can you problem solve? Okay, get a plan put into place of, okay, I need this job, I need this money. Write down what you need, okay, and then it's there, and then you can say to yourself, right, okay, how can I problem solve? Who can I contact? What research can I do on the internet? I always find spirit guides, my spiritual team will bring a lot of information I need via Google. And I know that sounds silly, but it's true. So I'll go on the internet, I might research, I need to make more money in the past, and then something will come up and then inspired action will come. So problem solving to what you can is definitely one element, but to the point you have to understand you've got to let go of control. With life, there is always uncertainty. You are never going to control everything. You can't control the future. No matter how rigid you are and how structured you are, anything could happen any day. something can happen out of the blue that you're just not expected. You could be in debt and you decide to get a scratch card one day and win £50,000 or $50,000. So you just don't know what's going to happen. So release that need of control. Control what you can and problem solve. Don't even think of control. Think of problem solving. What can I do right now to give myself just that peace of mind? And then you need to release worry, okay? If you're a good person and you live a good life and you're good to people around you, you are going to be protected by your spiritual team, okay? Your spiritual team, your family that have crossed over in spirit are definitely around you the most. The divine, your higher self, angels. There are so many people, ancestral guides, there's so many people around you who protect you, and they're not going to put you in a bad situation. They are going to help you, but they can't give you downloads. They can't give you signs or angel numbers, because if you're so caught up with worry and stress, you're going to miss it all. You're not going to see this stuff. So problem solve what you can and just let go of fear and worries and just trust that, you know what, everything is going to be okay. Focus on pulling yourself into the present, which is my next tip. Tip number 2, how to be in the present. So again, it's another question I get asked all the time. People, clients and people will say to me, well, how do you be in the present? You're telling me to be in the present. How do I do that? And I can completely relate. Someone, like I said, I had a massive anxiety disorder. Being in the present was impossible. Like, I was always thinking ahead and thinking about so much that, you know what, most of our worries won't even happen anyway. So we spend so much time worrying. And I think this is because it's our brain trying to protect us. It's like a survival instinct that I think is in all human beings, to worry about the future and to think of the past to then protect us in the future, because our brain is trying to protect us all the time. And I think this is why we overthink and have intrusive thoughts, and why so many of us develop mental illnesses such as anxiety and depression, or things like that, is we're just constantly being in survival mode all the time. And our brains are trying to protect us, our egos are trying to protect us, which is a good thing. But you need to be in the present, because you're going to miss so much in life. Being in the present is being truly grounded. It's not worrying about the past, it's not worrying about the future. Being in the present is exactly where you need to be. Deal with the past, let it go, accept what's happened, move on. The future, you can have plans and goals and ambitions of where you want to go and situations you want to sort out. But what matters is the day-to-day. You're going to miss so much from life if you're not in the present. Now, as I was saying, I found this really hard. So this is what I did to teach my brain how to be in the present. And I am someone, being deadly serious, who could not be in the present. My mind was elsewhere all the time. I would miss things my kids and partner and friends would say to me because I was always worrying about something. So how I started off with a 10-minute meditation every morning. And when I did this, I did a guided meditation, so not one that's just music or a little bit talking, one where someone is actually talking throughout the whole meditation for 10 minutes. And I focused on ones that were positive thinking, or maybe ones that were for people that suffer from anxiety. You want to check out the Honest Guys. They're on YouTube, and I think they're on Spotify. They have a podcast as well. They have hundreds of meditations, and oh my gosh, they are brilliant. They literally saved my life. So check out their meditations. A good guided meditation to talk you through for 10 minutes in the day is the first thing you want to do. The next thing you want to do is try and keep yourself busy, but this is not something you want to do long term. So try and keep yourself where your mind is always busy on things on the here and now. So when you're at work, try and be engaged in work. If you're having a lunch break, think about buying a book, specifically maybe a spiritual or self-development book, something that can help you invest in yourself. So when you're having your lunch break, you can read that book. I know, and taking that information, that's a way to keep your mind busy, and it's better than thinking about worries and control and all other things. And you're actually focused on the here and now. You're reading something, you're at the moment, you're just learning to distract your mind. Once you start doing this for, say, like 2 or 3 weeks, you can start then focusing on how to ground yourself in the present. So you use your 5 senses. What can you see? What can you hear? What can you taste? What can you smell? And what can you feel? Feel is my favourite one. Like, what can I feel on my feet? What can I feel on my face? Especially if you walk to work, or you walking back from school runs, or walking back from college or school or something. Like, what can you feel on your face? What do your feet feel like? It just helps ground you in the present and keep your mind. And you're teaching your mind to do this. And you want to start doing this more and more every single day. And with the meditation and sort of keeping preoccupied, you're slowly teaching your brain to be more in the present, you then want to increase that meditation to 20 minutes. You want to do it in the morning, in the evening. You then want to keep trying to pull your attention when you're making a cup of coffee. What's the process? Okay, I'm going to get the milk. This is whole milk. Look, it says on the back here about the farmers. That's nice. And I'm putting my spoon in. My spoon is getting hot where I'm mixing my coffee. So you want to keep doing that. And they say it takes 21 days to start changing your mindset, which is very much true. You start doing this, incorporate more and more, you'll slowly start being able to be into the present, which means that by doing that, you'll feel it a lot easier on autopilot. You'll naturally just be able to be on the present so much easier by doing these things. And then what happens when you're able to ground yourself, you're able to deal with those worries, thoughts, anxious thought patterns and stuff so much easier because you're a lot more grounded. I do feel things like meditation and helping control yourself and keeping the present does have some sort of therapeutic and healing to it. You can start feeling the emotions, the worry can come up, and remember with emotions, don't ignore them, okay? Now you're in a place where you can start embracing those emotions, feeling them and accepting them. Okay, I've got a wave of worry coming, it's here. Okay, what am I worried about? That's never going to happen. Like, this is silly. Let it go. Okay, and you can start feeling those emotions a lot easier because you've taught yourself to be more in the present. And then what will happen by doing that is when negative thoughts come up, they're so much easier to get rid of. Oh, I'm a little bit worried. Whatever, get out of here. And then over time, you'll slowly be able to keep pulling yourself more into the present. And my third and final tip is self-care. Self-care is one of the best things that you can do to really help to really help detach and let go. Okay, now self-care comes in so many different ways, and the idea of self-care, it's a way to help replenish you on a regular basis and pull you back up and relax you and healing, but it also is a way of having resources to help you and support you if you're feeling low and down, because that's what you want to do. When you're manifesting the law of attraction, you have to kind of keep yourself in a high state. You are going to have times, you are human, you are not going to be happy and positive every single day. You're not going to be thrilled every day. You want to get into a state of abundance and sort of content, but you're going to have those low days, so you need some sort of backup thing that you can go to. So a couple of suggestions I've got is, of course, journaling. I'm a massive advocate for journaling, having gratitude books, affirmation books, having a daily journal where you can write how you feel every day. Journaling is really, really good. In the evenings, going over your manifestations and writing them out every single day. That's a good way to really help do self-care. You can do a meditation every day, or you could do like 1 big hour meditation once a week. Doing yoga once a week is really, really good. It helps connect the breathing to the body, and doing like an hour of yoga a week. Having a spiritual bath is really good. This is something I do once a week with Himalayan bath salts, herbs, rose petals, candles, and I just spend that hour in the bath. I use really nice products. I have an expensive lotion that I'll just use on that night, and I just put something into my skin and just relax myself, and then I'll have a good night's sleep. So self-care can come in so many different ways. It can even come in going to a therapist regularly or a counsellor on a regular basis, or just having a conversation with your mum or something once a week, just letting out steam and stuff. Whatever it is that you determine is your self-care, which is best for you and works for you, is what you need to do. It's something to do every week where you're just in a set place, and you can either get your mind out about things, or you can just shut your mind off and think of nothing. And that really helps to detach and let go, because it helps you feel good about yourself, it brings healing, it helps bring you into the present, and if you are into the present, you'll find it a lot easier to deal with worries and overthinking. And that is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it is useful to you. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more content, and comment below if you need any advice, or there's anything you want to share, anything you agree with, anything you disagree with. I love to hear it anyway, so comment below. I try and get back to everyone as much as I can. And yeah, just subscribe so I can make more content, because I love doing stuff like this, and I love giving out real useful, down-to-earth, grounded, realistic information to you guys. I've been through a lot in my life, and there's a lot of situations that I think, I feel I have some good advice with, that I've helped hundreds and thousands of clients, okay, maybe not hundreds and thousands, but thousands of clients so far, with giving good, grounded advice just to help you live a happy and wonderful life. If you like this video very much, but you'd like some more information, check out my podcast. there's a podcast with the art of detaching and let go for manifesting. It will have some of the tips from this video, but a lot more extra tips and a lot more information for you, more in-depth information to give you more ideas of how you can detach and let go. So thank you for watching, and goodbye for now. Bye.